Alright guys, today I'll show you another professional trick. It's called Teal and Orange. Basically, we make the main subject colder and the background warmer, or vice versa. To make it clear, I'll go through each node step by step. Node 1. Adjust the white balance using the eyedropper tool. Node 2. Here, I lowered the shadows and raised the highlights to increase contrast. You can also do this in a single node if you want. Node 3. I used Magic Mask to select the speaker and tracked it. The subject blended too much with the background, so I boosted the quality settings a bit. Node 4. I created a new node using Alt+O, this gives an inverted mask of the tracked subject. Then I simply adjusted by eye. Made the third node colder, and the fourth one warmer. There are no strict rules here, just experiment. Node 5. Added noise reduction. Increase only the temporal setting, don't touch spatial. Node 6. Finally, I added a vignette. Keep it very subtle, lower the transparency as much as possible. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what kind of tutorial you want next.